So I'm going to make a lovely cheesy onion and leek quiche today in the tortilla case, and I've got this little hack I want to show you so that if you do like making these quiches but you need to do it in a hurry, you can do what I do and use some tortillas for the pastry crust. And stick around to the end and I'll show you my other tip, which is how to easily get a quiche out of a loose bottom tin without breaking the whole thing up. So let's do it. Let's show you how to make a quiche using a tortilla base.